Um, as I was saying, the garage. Yeah, it's pretty flooded too. We have like it's not like one of those ones where you open the door to. It's it's kind of like open garage, as you can see. Kind of. I can't even get like out from the stairs because it's like flooded right there. I'll show you in a little bit. Try to get closer. Zoom. You really can't see. I'm trying to show you the best I could. Everything's kind of tilted in a way. Even the cat, which is somewhere, is hiding on something. But it's raining pretty hard now. I'll show you the back one more time and then go to the front. The front. Oh yeah. Should probably get away from this window right now. It's been thundering like crazy. Couldn't go to sleep. Can't go to sleep. Look at that. It's flooded. That's a great example right there. But yeah, I thought I'd make this video. But gotta go, guys. But I will make a next video. I will make another video. Not probably regarding the flood. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. So anyways, thank you for watching as always, and goodbye.